Hey guys, if I was going to sit down with you today and we're just going to talk about why should an agent join your firm, what would be like the top 5 reasons why somebody should join your company? I do this all the time, by the way. I go in and teach live classes and I coach brokerage owners and team leaders all the time. And this is a conversation I always love to have. And often what I'll hear is things like this. Well, we're a family kind of organization. We have a great culture. We do a lot of social events. We're really engaged with the community. We're really a hyper local company. We're really connected to the community in a lot of ways. So I hear a lot of that. Our staff are great. We have an open door policy at our company. These are all great things, but they're centered on what I call soft value. Now, soft value is what keeps agents at your company, right? It's what keeps people there. And retention's important. I want to retain agents. Trust me, I want to retain agents. But if I'm going to move agents from one company to the next, I have to have a different kind of conversation. And that's focused on hard value. Hard value moves agents. Soft value keeps agents. What's hard value? Hard value is anything that's defined as helping me close more transactions over the next 12 months. So when I'm sitting across the table from you and we're talking, that's what I want to hear from you. Tell me how you're going to help me close more transactions. That should be your top 5 things I'm talking about. Not that may not get to soft value, but the top 5 things have to be focused on hard value. Your technology, your lead generation strategies, your training, the branding, the marketing assets, the social media, all the things that you're doing to drive more leads to your agents. And the proof is in the pudding. If you can show that your agents are closing more than the average agent in the market, that's even better. But that's got to be the focus. Guys, if you want more ideas and you want more strategy around building a recruiting plan for your office, join me over at eRealEstateCoach.com. We've got an incredible brokerage coaching, leadership coaching for team leaders and brokerage owners to really recruit the best of the best in their markets. Check it out. We've got a discovery call. You can hop on. We can talk about what we can do to help you become an absolute leader in your market when it comes to recruiting experienced agents. We hope to see you there soon. Have a great day. Good selling.